Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'll be showing you how to calculate the on-balance volume indicator, or the OBV. So the OBV is a pretty simple volume indicator, and it helps traders to identify potential reversals in a market by seeing a divergence in price against the OBV. So here's the formula for the OBV. It's a pretty simple calculation. Essentially, for every close, we want to make a check against three conditions. The first one is whether the current close is greater than the previous close. If that's the case, then we take the previous OBV and we add the current volume. If the close is less than the previous close, then we take the previous OBV and we subtract the current volume. And if the current close is the same as the previous close, we just keep the same OBV. Nothing gets changed. So let's get started by using Python to calculate the OBV. So first we want to import pandas as PD, and then we want to read in our dataset. Today I'll be using a dataset on XRP, specifically the daily time frame over 250 weeks. And here is just some data manipulation for my data frame. This is not required because it depends on the dataset that you're importing. So let's make a new column called OBV in our data frame, and we initialize the value of the first row as 0. Then we want to create a for loop so we can loop over every single row whilst checking against our three conditions. So our first condition would be checking whether the current close is greater than the previous close. And if that's the case, then the current OBV would be the previous OBV added by current volume. Next, we want to check our second condition, which is whether the current close is smaller than the previous close. If that's the case, we want the current OBV to be the previous OBV subtract by the current volume. Finally, if the two conditions above is not true, then we want to keep our current OBV. And there you have it. That's how you calculate the OBV within your dataset. So let's have a look at the dataset. So if we run the script, and there we go, the OBV has been calculated. So this is how you can use pandas to simply work out the OBV for a dataset. I hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching.